From the KATC Weatherland, here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, the heat stays on across the area. Still a big ridge of high pressure that hasn't budged more than 100 miles over the last 4 or 5 days. Temperatures once again in the upper 90s. We may have set the hottest temperature so far for the year. Today we'll get that official number in, hopefully for the 6 o'clock weathercast. But what we're going to see in the days ahead is showers and some disturbances running around the periphery of that high. And as we go into next week, between this low here and this high here, we do expect a little bit of a disturbance off the mid-Atlantic to come down across Florida and work its way westward across the Gulf of Mexico. And that should bring better rain chances, maybe as early as Sunday, but certainly as we head into next week. So a little bit of a break in the pattern. We're not going to guarantee temperatures are going to be cool, but they won't be quite so hot. But 3 more hot days ahead of us. As we take a look at the radar satellite composite, we do have a few isolated showers and thunder showers forming up across the area this afternoon. On Power Doppler 3, the highest resolution radar in Acadiana, showing some shower activity across western portions of Allen Parish, eastern Beauregard. A nice little thunder shower here north of the Basile area, but call them thunder showers because they don't last long. You get a good shower, you got a rumble of thunder. We heard a rumble of thunder here at the station, but more of a tease than anything else. We get into Acadia Parish, an isolated cell here just by Crowley. Good news for you folks just east of Jennings as well. And a little bit of a cell here on the south side of town and one over toward Lake Martin. The one on the south side of town actually got a little rain in the bucket over at my house. Here we are at Calise-Saloom Road right here. Here's Ambassador Caffrey. So you're going right there and then down as you head down toward Calise-Saloom toward LA 733. So a little bit of a shower here, so take it and be happy with it, but not enough rain in these showers to put any dent in the dry soil conditions. And then any shower activity in St. Mary Parish, a nice little thunder shower here, pretty much fell apart in short order. That's a half-hour loop, so as quickly as they pop up, they die down. Big picture across the tropics, we have Tropical Storm Celia out here in the Pacific, no concern. Some thunderstorms clustering down here by Central America, no concern right now. Again, we'll be watching storms over in this area because eventually they may try to work westward across the Gulf, not expecting any development there. And you might remember yesterday we were talking about a tropical wave coming off the African coastline. Well, now the National Hurricane Center is kind of remarking on it, where they're giving it about 20% chance of developing as it crosses the Atlantic, gets closer to the Caribbean. This would be the zone where we might see some development. Out ahead of this tropical wave, there's some dust right here, not shown, some African dust. So we'll see if this survives crossing the Atlantic. But interesting to note that both the Euro and the GFS model pick up on this feature. Here it is in a couple of days by late Sunday. But we're also watching this moisture that's coming in from the north and then moving westward across the Gulf of Mexico. So that should supply us with a better chance of storms. And if anything would develop down the Caribbean, both the GFS and the Euro say it's going to head towards Central America. A lot of high pressure still dominating across our part of the world, which will keep storms away. Good news there. Bad news, it's still darn hot. Temperatures upper 70s tonight. Tomorrow, a slight chance of an afternoon shower or storm, more than a tease than anything else. We'll go with rain chance 20, perhaps 30% here on the graph model, but the her model not going for as much. Upper 70s to near 80 tomorrow morning, and once again, those heat index values pushing 106 with highs in the upper 90s, and those heat indices right near 100 from 10 o'clock in the morning through about 6 or 7 o'clock in the evening. So overnight tonight, generally fair skies. It's going to be a steamy evening ahead. 77 your low. Tomorrow we'll get up to about 99 again for the high. That heat index up to 103 to 108, and your rain chance tomorrow afternoon in the 20% range. Upper 90s Saturday and Sunday as well. Rain chances improve by late Sunday afternoon. Might push 40% there. We'll keep our fingers crossed on that. And then going into next week, finally the summer pattern that we look for, highs in the lower 90s with a better chance of scattered showers and thunderstorms to take the edge off the heat. But when you have scattered showers and thunderstorms, it amps up the humidity. So it's always a little bit of a trade-off. Heat indices will be the same, just uncomfortable still.
Okay.
Right.
Thank you, Rob.